One of the former Minneapolis officers who was with Derek Chauvin when George Floyd died faced a judge today for his role in Floyd's death. J. Alexander King received 3.5 years in prison for aiding and abetting manslaughter. KARE 11's Lou Raguse joins us now with more details. Hi, Lou.
Hi, Rena. At this point, the legal process seems never ending for the Floyd family, but after today, there will be just one more potential sentencing hearing. Today's comes after King decided to plead guilty several weeks ago.
This is State of Minnesota versus J. Alexander King.
Through a virtual hearing over Zoom, former Minneapolis police officer J. Alexander King appeared from a federal prison in Ohio. That's where he's serving a 3-year sentence after he was convicted by a jury for depriving George Floyd's rights.
You are sentenced to 42 months in prison with credit for 84 days already served.
Now, after a plea deal, King will concurrently serve a 3.5-year sentence for aiding and abetting manslaughter, his charges in state court.
George Floyd is a crime victim.
The family of George Floyd did not speak in court this time, but prosecutor Matthew Frank reminded Judge Peter Cahill how long and painful the court process has been for them.
It's really hard to comprehend what victims go through. In all the years I've been doing this, I really can't come close to comprehending what the family and friends of George Floyd have had to go through.
King declined to speak.
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
But his attorney Thomas Plunkett highlighted how years before Floyd's death, the group Citizens United Against Police Brutality pushed former Chief Madera Arredondo to implement training to make officers comfortable to intervene. Arredondo declined to do that. Plunkett believes if properly trained, King would have intervened to stop Chauvin.
Mr. King is in federal custody and will remain in prison for roughly 3 years. That is a year in prison for each day he served the city of Minneapolis as a police officer after completion of his training. He was a 3-day.
Now the only court case remaining is Tou Thao. Judge Cahill will decide whether he's guilty, and if he is, there will be a sentencing hearing, which should be the final court hearing concerning the death of George Floyd. Rena.
All right. Thank you, Lou.